and welcome to the Hendrick Center for Automotive Excellence. This center has been operating for a few months now, holding classes, growing our programs in automotive systems technology, in collision repair and refinishing to meet the needs that are there right now.
You have the best that I've ever seen, and it will turn out the best technicians that we will ever have in our business. And in North Carolina right now, we need 1,200 technicians.
When it comes to automotive training, this facility has all the bells and whistles. This is where the magic happens, where students who love to work on cars can realize a career that can take them far.
This building will help so many young people have an opportunity in life, not just a job, but a career.
EVs are coming fast, and right here, they're going to be training people on how to service and to fix them.
Your dollars here make a difference in your future career.
This 106,000 square foot facility, $42 million facility, to make sure that we're delivering the very best of training to produce highly skilled automotive technicians.
You know, Rick Hendrick is a winner. He wants his employees to be winners. He wants North Carolina families to be winners. And the way you do that is to make sure that people have more money in their pocket. And the way you do that is to make sure that people have a quality education, a degree, or credential. I'm excited to formally cut the ribbon on this outstanding center, the Wake Tech Hendrick Center for Automotive Excellence. What a great day for all of North Carolina.